This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the phone has enough battery and you've saved any custom wallpaper or font you want to keep. This prevents accidental loss. Once ready, open the Themes app. If you don't see it, go to Settings, then Wallpapers and Style. You'll land on the Me or Profile tab. This shows the currently applied theme and any downloaded items. Tap the applied theme preview to begin the removal process, because you need to switch or delete from this view to revert system visuals. Now, you remove the theme by selecting Apply Default or System Default in the theme preview. This changes wallpapers, icons, and basic styling back to stock. If fonts or icons remain altered, go into Fonts and Icons sections and tap Default to revert each one. Do them one at a time to ensure nothing is left behind. Once visuals are back, delete the downloaded theme from My Page to avoid it reapplying or consuming storage, and make sure to check for any pending theme updates that might reintroduce assets. Finish by rebooting the Redmi Note 14 so the system fully applies the reverted theme and clears temporary caches. This often resolves lingering visuals. If you still see elements from the old theme, go to Settings, Apps, Find Themes, and Clear Cache, then Clear Data. This forces a clean state. As a final troubleshooting step, uninstall theme app updates or boot into safe mode to remove third-party interference. If none of that works, a quick factory reset after backing up will guarantee a return to stock visuals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.